The new Tomorrow Series 2-post lifts are designed with premium quality components and a contemporary look, starting with a capacity of 3.2 tons up to 5.5 tons. Reliable and powerful performance even under demanding conditions. 3 width possibilities makes installation flexible and versatile. Tested for 20,000 cycles and designed for TechLink connectivity system, your workshop is prepared for all future innovations. The lifts with a capacity up to 3.5 tons feature an asymmetric design, increasing flexibility and saving time picking up vehicles. Our acoustic anti-toe trap system eliminates the need for mechanical foot guards, providing a smaller footprint. Many configurations are available to meet all end-user needs. The Tomorrow Series ensures solid performance while future-proofing your shop. For more information, visit us online.